Smoothies are not just a little fun treat that you can have on a Sunday afternoon. I mean, it can be, but they can also be nutrient-packed, brain-boosting powerhouse drinks, which means making them part of your regular routine is a very quick and easy way to start building healthier habits. Now, I thought I'd share 3 of my favorite smoothie recipes with you that are perfect for a mega energy boost. Because smoothies are not just for snacks or for breakfast or for kids or for Sunday afternoons. No way, Jose. They're actually amazing and easy ways to really pack in your veggies, your fruit, and even your protein. Not to mention antioxidants, fibers, tons of vitamins and minerals, all your essential nutrients in just one delicious drink. So if you're like me and you kind of don't like drinking a ton of water, but you know you need hydration, smoothies are another way to actually tackle that problem. Or if you're like me and you don't like eating breakfast, but you're okay drinking your meals, that's another way too. And while you're making these and drinking these smoothies, you are actually building healthier habits and better habits for yourself in the form of choosing to take better care of your body and your mind. It's actually a win-win. But before I share these 3 recipes with you, let me start by telling you what I do not put in my smoothies. All right? I don't add any artificial sweeteners, nor will you catch me adding any refined sugar. Natural sweeteners are sweeteners that are from real fruits or something like honey or maple syrup or coconut nectar. They're straight from the source. They're the go-tos. You know, you've seen the stevia, right? I also don't like to add any artificial protein powders that are full of fake ingredients. There are way better, much better, plant-based and nutritious choices. So just avoid the powders that have those crappy artificial ingredients. The last thing I don't add in my smoothies are cow-based milks. Now, I'm plant-based, so if you're new here and you don't know that about me, no cow milk. There's lots of alternatives. These smoothie recipes I'm about to give you are made with coconut, cashew, almond, and if you've never tried them, do yourself a mega favor and give them a try. There's a lot of options right now, and I think you're actually gonna get hooked. Now let's talk smoothie recipes for a second. This first one I call the Zesty Lime. Now I'm just gonna give you some crazy fun names, hilarious names, all right? Because I mean, it makes it just a little bit more fun for us, okay? So the Zesty Lime has some good healthy fats in it, plus a little citrus. So it keeps you satiated with the healthy fats. It gives you the energy you need on the daily, and it supports your system, your immune system. In order to make this one, all you need is 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of blueberries, a half of an avocado, and the juice from a lime. And you can add a drop of lime essential oils to really give it that antioxidant boost. Personally, I think this is sweet enough as is, but if you need a half a teaspoon of maple syrup or honey, go for it. And you got your blender, right? Now, the blueberries and the lime are your burst of antioxidants. The avocado and the coconut are the healthy source of fats that your brain needs in order to function. Got it? Now, I really love to make this smoothie if I'm dragging in the afternoon. I blend all of that up and it's really massively enjoyable. Okay, now here's the second one. It's called the 5-minute wonder, okay? And it's pretty perfect for breakfast. And here's all you need. Again, 1 cup of your plant-based milk, let's just say coconut or another non-dairy alternative, that half an avocado again, and a cup of frozen fruit. I personally like the pineapple mango combo, and then 1/2 of a teaspoon, 1 to 2 teaspoons of chia seeds and a drop of ginger oil. And between the healthy fat, the citrus boost, and the ginger, this one is gonna light you up in the morning. Plus, with the ginger in it, it is super anti-inflammatory. And if you're someone who wakes up with a little tightness or stiffness or pain, this is gonna become your go-to smoothie. All right, are you ready for the last one? I'm calling it the Greeny, not so original, but it's super packed with veggies. So it's great for lunch. And you need 1/2 cup of your coconut or other plant-based milk, 2 handfuls of baby spinach, half of a small cucumber sliced up, half of that avocado again, and a drop of lemon essential oil this time. And this one is amazeballs for boosting your focus and removing that brain fog. And it's packed again with antioxidants and healthy fats. Plus, the lemon essential oil is cleansing AF, so it's going to clean you out from the inside out. Which one of these would you like to try? I mean, I think I'm gonna have the Greeny right now, but make sure that you grab the recipes. I've got the recipes for you in the free download that I put together for you. If you go to HayleyHobson.com/3Fav, F-A-V, smoothies, you got it. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. See ya online.